If you plan to spend time in Akihabara on your trip to Japan, the JR East Metz Hotel in Akihabara is an excellent option. Located right next to the JR Line Akihabara station, the hotel is literally steps away from the JR Line, which allows you easy access to the rest of Tokyo using public transportation. This hotel puts you right in the action in Akihabara, as you can see from this video shot in the lobby, so this is an especially good choice if you plan on spending significant time here. Akihabara is close to Ueno and Asakusa, and most of Tokyo is easy to get to from the station. The rooms are fairly small, but well organized and not cramped. I filmed the room to give you an idea of what it's like to stay here. Okay, this is a room tour of the JR East Hotel Metz in Akihabara in Tokyo, Japan. This is a superior double room, and I booked this through the Capital One travel portal. Got my $300 back from my Venture X, but I'm sure you could book it directly with the hotel or on the other booking engines as well. I will say I'm staying in November. I booked this hotel, I don't remember exactly when, in August or so, I believe, but it was completely sold out by the time I started my trip a couple weeks ago. So just something to keep aware of. Does fill up, and it's not really a busy time in in Japan right now. So anyway, here is a closet area, or rather a rack to hang stuff on. The bathroom is split up here, so you have your separate toilet. Pretty simple there with a door, big full-length mirror here. And then on this side, we have a sink. And everything there is a little, looks like a laundry basket. And then here is the tub and shower. So turn on the light here, but so there's a shower with a stool and everything, and separate, pretty deep bathtub. Not sure why my gimbal's having a hard time getting down to eye level with some of the stuff in my Osmo Pocket 3, but let's see if maybe I can adjust it a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if that's helping. So anyway, here's the main part of the room itself. It's not a big room. There is certainly some space here in this entryway if you're like me and you have luggage at this point of your trip. But the room itself is just a double bed, not quite a king size bed by US standards, but just a couple of small pillows, which I've been staying in American hotels, Marriott's and Hyatts for the most part. I love all the big pillows, but you know, this will do just fine. So anyway, there's little cubbies with chargers and stuff to charge your things. And then over here, so there's this large Dyson, or Dyson-like, no, it's a Dyson fan, which I think is really nice. This room, unlike some in Japan, you'd have to put your room key in to get everything to, all the lights and everything to work. So that fan makes it nice to cool it down quickly when everything's been off all day. But as you can see, there's a little fridge in the bottom there, coffee or tea maker, and a little desk here. And there's also this massager, which took me a second to figure out what it was. So anyway, it's a massager, and some pajamas there. The bed's pretty decent. It's fairly soft. And the view here, I'm on the 4th floor, and I'm not in a room on the end, which would have been ideal. But I'm not on the other end either, or on the opposite side, which would have not have been ideal. So anyway, you can see here, this is the street of Akihabara. And really, you can't beat the location if you're coming to Akihabara here. It's literally right outside the train station. It's like 10 steps outside of the train station is where you can enter the hotel. So great location. I filmed some of that. The lobby overlooks kind of the entrance, or what I consider to be the entrance of Akihabara. Really great place. Seems like it'll be a pretty good hotel. I'm going to be here for 5 nights, so maybe get some more information. But that concludes the tour of the Superior Double in the JR East Hotel Met in Akihabara in Tokyo, Japan. A couple of things I want to add on to my room tour here, just in hopes that they'll be useful for somebody. Underneath the bed here is all open, so if you're someone who has luggage and maybe you want to buy an empty suitcase or something, fill it full of crap to take home, you can do that. And I think a suitcase would fit under there. Looks like it's big enough. So anyway, maybe you'll find that helpful. Also did want to mention the breakfast was not included with my rate. Not sure if you book directly, if it would be, or through another portal or whatever, but it was available for purchase for around 1,400 yen, just under $10 US at the time of filming. So anyway, again, that is the JR East Hotel Mets in Akihabara, Tokyo, Japan.